Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The Canon EOS R7 II is generating serious buzz in 2025 as a game-changing APS-C mirrorless powerhouse. As the highly anticipated successor to the popular EOS R7 from 2022, this flagship APS-C camera promises major refinements for photographers and cinematic content creators alike. With whispers of upgraded video performance, lightning-fast autofocus powered by AI, next-gen stabilization, and enhanced wireless connectivity, Canon is poised to raise the bar and give Sony, Panasonic, and Futurum a run for their money. Let's dive deeper into the upgrades and innovations, cutting-edge image processor and sensor enhancements. In terms of processing muscle, the EOS R7 II reportedly brings a beefed-up DigicX, or even a brand new generation of Canon processor. This could drive faster burst shooting frame rates, better color rendering, and overall efficiency gains. Rumors suggest adoption of a BSI 32.5 MP sensor, delivering improved dynamic range, superb low-light performance, fast readout speeds, and minimal rolling shutter, perfect for action and video recording. AI-powered autofocus and subject tracking. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is expected to evolve with AI-enhanced predictive tracking for faces, eyes, animals, birds, vehicles, and perhaps even aircraft detection. Low-light performance is rumored to see gains, boosting autofocus accuracy in challenging conditions. Sports, wildlife, and fast-action shooters are especially set to benefit from next-level tracking precision. Pro-level video specs and frame rate flexibility. The EOS R7 II is expected to push video boundaries beyond its predecessor's 4K 60p offering. Look for 4K 120 frames per second slow motion, and potentially open-gate recording that harnesses the full sensor height for cinematic aspect ratios. Canon Log 3 with internal 10-bit 4:2:2 support is almost certain, and whispers point to 12-bit internal cinema raw light capability, possibly borrowed from Canon's Cinema EOS line. These prospects make this camera a compelling tool for indie filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators aiming for premium output. Enhanced in-body stabilization. The initial R7 delivered up to 7 stops of IBIS performance. With the EOS R7 II, expect even better correction, possibly reaching 8 stops with specific RF lenses. When paired with stabilized glass, handheld shooting becomes remarkably steady, even in low light and video scenarios. Ergonomics and UI refinement. Canon is rumored to refine ergonomics with a deeper grip optimized for large telephoto and zoom lenses. Anticipate customizable controls like a video/photo mode switch, more assignable buttons, and an upgraded touchscreen. A premium 3.2-inch articulating OLED panel with higher resolution and brightness will offer improved visibility in sunlight. The EVF could be upgraded to 5.76 resolution, enhancing clarity and composition. Storage and connectivity. Canon seems likely to maintain dual card slots. One source suggests at least one could be the new UHS-2 SD paired with a blazing fast CF Express Type A slot to support high bitrate or RAW capture. USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 will enable speedy tethering and offloading. Expect upgraded wireless with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast, reliable transfers and remote control. Battery and heat management. The EOS R7 II likely continues using the long-lasting LPE6NH battery. Efficiency gains from the new processor and a more effective thermal system are expected to deliver extended shooting sessions without overheating, great for creators who shoot for hours. Pro cinema-style tools. Firmware is anticipated to feature filmmaker-friendly tools like focus breathing compensation, false color, waveform monitor, shutter angle controls, zebras, and customizable loop recording. Expect enhanced touchscreen menus, deeper AF customization, and real-time audio level monitoring to help streamline production. AI-driven features and vlogging enhancements. This camera may debut intelligent features such as smart framing, auto-reframing, voice control, and AI-suggested aspect cropping, perfect for YouTubers and solo content producers. Cloud integration through Canon's Connect platform could simplify backups and remote editing workflows. Price and competitive landscape. Industry insiders suggest MSRP for the EOS R7 II body will range from approximately $1,499 to $1,699, with higher tiers up to $1,799 if Cinema Raw Light or CF Express Type A are included. It will go head-to-head with the Sony a6700, Futurum X-T6, Nikon Z70, and Panasonic G9 II, aiming to redefine what an APS-C hybrid camera can do. Lens ecosystem and adaptability. While the R-series APS-C lens lineup is still emerging, the EOS R7 II supports full-frame RF lenses and legacy EF/EFRS glass via adapters, ensuring a seamless upgrade path. Third-party RF lenses are also gradually expanding, fueling system versatility, ideal audiences and use cases. Wildlife and sports photographers, AI autofocus, high burst rates, and effective stabilization make the R7 II a natural fit. Hybrid creators. A powerful combination of stills and 4K/120p cinematic tools. YouTubers and filmmakers, compact form, pro video codecs, internal RAW options. Travel and documentary shooters, lightweight with robust stabilization, fast autofocus, and durable ergonomics. Why it's a landmark. APS-C. By introducing a BSI sensor, 12-bit RAW video, AI-enhanced autofocus, and robust IBIS, Canon has the potential to leapfrog competitors and redefine the APS-C space. Indie creators may switch ecosystems, and DSLR users may finally make the mirrorless jump now. Launch timeline. Canon has yet to confirm release details, but most sources point to a Q3/Q4 2025 debut, perfect timing for holiday creatives and vloggers prepping for next year's content calendar. If Canon delivers on the rumors, Cinema RAW, 4K 120p, AI subject tracking, the EOS R7 may second be the most complete and versatile APS-C hybrid camera yet. It seems destined to redefine what's possible for under $2K mirrorless systems, and could reshape the mirrorless landscape.